Now take this third classification, that is linear and non-linear system. A system is a relaxed system. Here again relaxed property is important. Where a relaxed system T is linear if and only if this relationship is satisfied. So what we see, suppose this is one input x1 and this is other input, so I am giving here as input these two inputs in the system, and that input is multiplied by this constant a1 and a2, and then it is added. Now this composite input is given to the system T. Okay, so that output is called yn. What we do next, we give x1 and x2 and separately to the same system T, and see the output y1 and y2 n here. Now this y1 n and y2 n is multiplied by a1 and a2 respectively, then added, and this is called y dash n. If this y dash n and yn is same, then we say the system is linear, otherwise the system is non-linear. Okay, so I consider one example. Say yn is equal to x1 n plus a x1 n plus b. Okay, this is my system which takes x1, not this is not x1, this is only x as input and y as output. Okay, so what we do, I take two other input x1 n and x2 n, and we multiply by a1 and a2. Okay, now we add, and then we get a1 x1 plus a2 x2. Okay, now this input is supplied to the system T under consideration. So what this output yn will become, this will become a into c. What was the system response? Y a into x1 n. So whatever given input is there, that is multiplied by a. So here I am giving this input, so a1 x1 plus a2 x2, this is the input. Mind it, in all the notations I am dropping this index n just for writing convenience, and this is b. So this is yn. Now what we do, we compute y. What we do, I have x1 and x2 both input, both is undergone to this system T. Okay, so what I will get there, I will get here a into x1 plus b according to the system. Y was a into x plus b if I drop the indexes. That's why I have given x1 as input, that's why I am getting a x1 plus b as output, in this case a x2 plus b as output. Now these two outputs are being added, and we see the y dash n. So so y dash n will become a x1 plus b plus a so it will becomes a x1 plus b plus a x2 plus b. So if I take a common, it gives a x1 plus no, instead of giving I should have multiplied it by a1 and a2. Okay, so this will be multiplied by